This is your host Amir Torne, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can fix the controller drift on your Xbox One controller without opening the controller, and this method is 100% safe, I guarantee. So first of all, open the batteries of the controller and clean the controller with a mildly wet towel. Yes, I'm not joking. Clean it with a mildly wet towel and clean it properly like how I'm doing here. Also clean the backside of the controller where the batteries are stored, as well as between the buttons and obviously the stick. And now go to the stick which is drifting. For me it's the left stick. Then pop it out and start blowing air over 360 degrees across the left stick or whichever stick is drifting for you, and keep doing it for 2 minutes. And then again set it how it was and put the batteries in, and then start playing games whichever you want, and then you realize the drift has been fixed, it's not happening. And if this helped you like it helped me, please hit the like button and subscribe for more such useful content. This is your host Amir Torne. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.